on.
Alright. Y'all are fine for your faces being posted on YouTube, right? I mean, your face is already on YouTube.
It smells like Kool-Aid.
It kind of does. It kind of does smell like Kool-Aid.
Ariel, do you want to smell like? I smell like flowers.
That's still the weirdest stuff ever, man.
I smell nature.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. This is actually kind of peaceful.
No, we're lazy out there. No, you can sit on my
Oh, it smells nice.
Oh, you have your arms in your
Oh yeah, the waterfall. Which way we going? Alright. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Ah. Oh. Waterfall. It's a waterfall. Nice. Who took the cookie from the cookie? What? Oh.
Just a bug. It's fine. Come
Just a bug.
I'm pretty sure it was actually a moth.
Alright.
And there's these.
Yeah. Shoo.
Probably should have worn two but that's okay.
What do you call a man without a nose or body? Nobody knows.
Oh, I got one I gotta tell you.
Oh, go ahead.
Hold on, I'll pull it up. I had her tell it to me again the other day.
Ooh.
Did I tell you I accidentally ate Axe body spray the other day?
No.
Now I have an accent.
That's actually a good one. That's actually a good one. That's actually a really good one.
There's a can in the water.
Where? You know, this is gonna be great on YouTube. Now we're right next to the power grid. I don't know if I can legally record the tide. Well, that was short.
No, we're not done.
Wait, what?
What?
We're not done.
Oh! I'm covering my phone because license plates.
Smart thinking, kiddo. Smart thinking. Ah! Yeah, we're not done. This thing goes. Wow.
Huh?
Dude, my camera needs to be freaking reset. We should fix it.
I got a phone, but I didn't bring the mask.
So we can either go that way or go straight. I say straight. Or I say that way, not straight.
Yeah, let's
We'll
head.
cross that bridge coming back this way.
Let's head that way.
That's where we're going.
All right.
Because we'll come back this way with that bridge.
I guess Harp's leading the way. Oh,
Mommy!
guess we could take the scenery. I guess we could take in the scenery. Yeah,
I know.
extra tight grip on my phone.
Ugh.
Got Harper short.
Pretty cool. Come on, it's still cold for the turtles to come back out.
Aw,
It's not quite warm enough to
no turtle. No turtle.
We had a nasty end of fall, beginning of spring.
Yeah. And we had a nasty winter as well.
End of winter, beginning of spring? Yeah, so I just said.
You said,
You said end of fall. Oh. And that winter wasn't nearly as bad as it could be. And that's just how we've had way worse winter.
yeah, fair enough. Russia had exploding trees for Pete's sake.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Well, we did too though, in some places.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Florida got snow.
I know, and they don't ever hardly get snow.
If they get snow, you know it's bad.
Long bridge.
You know, and a really, really nice day. This is where we need to come and do photos instead of Bridge Park. Switch it up.
Yes. We are not posting them.
Even though Birch Park has
Oh, there's a car up ahead.
Even though Birch Park has a cave, still. And we're done.
We're not. We'll just send us all the way around.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, we can go that way, or we can go this way.
This is something building.
Follow me.
That's it. That is go that way. Public. Public.
Alright, hold on. I need to record the scenery. My phone battery's crying for help right now. Yeah, it's cool.
Hey, look. I can do this.
It's a nice scenery. It also helps that I'm really tall, so I could just...
Excuse me.
I could get a higher advantage. Okay.
Hey, I'm gripping on.
Get down.
I just can't see.
Alright, let's go.
Follow me, everyone.
Harps. Like frogs and lizards. Lizard. Interesting. I don't know if this will reveal what state we live in, but it's fine.
Mom, we get better.
That does. That does. It's fine. There ain't no way they could possibly pinpoint.
Yeah, it says public services.
Ah, smells like dandelions, and I don't like that smell.
Dandelions, that's what I like. That's amazing smell. That's good smell.
Oh.
Is there another flowers?
Alright, well, I guess this one's too strong, because earlier I said I liked it.
Oh, yeah, I mean, you're more into it. But I don't see them, so I don't know if it's actually lilacs or not.
Ugh.
I've been seeing the lilacs.
A bug just...
Been looking
Bird.
on the ground.
I don't know if y'all seen it, but if you did, congrats. If you did, comment down below. I'm taking this YouTube stuff way too seriously.
Kalamazoo River mussels.
Shells.
Mussels. Hey, I like mussels better. It sounds fun.
them.
Yeah, you do.
Ew.
You take the muscle out of them and you can eat it.
What is that?
What are you doing? Oh.
Dominic, stay still.
What is that?
What is it?
What is that?
That was a wasp.
That was a
That's why I
wasp?
said stay still.
It touched my hand.
Yeah, and we're trying to see what we are. That's why I said stay still. When it
Well, I heard it right next to you, so that's why I went. That's why.
Unless you wish to get stung by it, stay still whether you hear it or not.
Also, name review.
Hey.
Invasive species. That's interesting. Why is my camera super blurry?
Emerald ash borer. Yo, Mom! Mom! You missed it.
I can turn the brightness down low or high. How do I get this yellow square thing out of the way? It's gonna be bugging me the entire time.
There's a metallic green insect that are an invasive species over here, apparently.
Emerald ash borer.
Or
Borer, whatever.
and then
Which is-
there's a tree called the Tree of Heaven.
Hop. Sorry if I disrespected any Christians out there. If you made it this far, comment nature. I'm sweating and I'm wearing like my iconic green shirt. Like the sleeveless. The bug. I'm wearing my like.
It's not gonna do anything.
I don't know if that revealed my face. I'm gonna record. I'm gonna see if it did. And then I'm not gonna post this. I mean, it's fine. It's part of my face probably got a few. It's fine.
It's nice to walk and be in the nature. Into the front.
Oh, those are horse flies. Excuse me. I'm sweaty. Nature. J.A., I don't know what that means. We're gonna go. Oh, there's stairs!
Yeah, you're not going down there.
It's not a jacket.
Yep, that's a jacket.
Oh.
Where's the jacket? Oh, yep.
Oh my. The camera's real blurry. How do I make it unblurry? Language.
Yeah, I see.
It's a pigeon, I think.
That's not a pigeon.
Please come rescue me.
It's gonna fly through your thing because it has it doesn't fly. XX smile mean?
That's just not a regular smiley face.
Don't go down. I'm just saying, why is there XX? No.
So that's like, the sad, that's like, you know smiley faces?
Yeah, they go like this.
Technically, what it is.
Yeah, it's an the eyes are X's and it's upside down.
Does that mean dead?
I mean, no, because Mariano, he smells and also marshmallow. Sorry if I disrespect. Why don't you just jump over this part? That seems a little racist to me.
There's another fishing area. This way or that way?
Alright, we're going this way. We're recording for 14 minutes. There's nothing wrong with that.
We just went from over there and over here. How'd you check it?
I want to see the big rock. I'll climb on that rock.
If you slip, you fall here.
I'm afraid I'm gonna drop my phone, but I know I got a really good grip on this.
There's a metal pipe.
I speak English and it's difficult.
Let's cast iron.
Hey, the bird's back.
It's still metal. Yeah, but it's a different type of metal. Yes, it is.
Where?
was.
It went underwater. It came up with the little hump part and then it went under. But it was right over here. Near the birdie.
Near the bird.
And that's because it already went back under, but it came up and then it went under.
I see something.
The bird's coming, but the turtle.
Turtle.
The turtle is not.
That's because the turtle's underwater now. Is that a lettuce plant?
Lettuce.
A lettuce plant?
I don't
It
know.
looks like it. No, it's a hosta.
I've been practicing my whistling.
There's lilies.
Where?
Right there.
There's
They're
little
not
things in
bloomed
the
yet,
water.
but they're the lilies. They're right there.
Oh.
Yeah, I've seen them. Jesus is all over the ground. You just weren't looking.
Come on.
All right, let's go.
I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning.
Don't you dare grab my sweater. Why do you laugh like that?
And then here comes green parts. You can't catch me on the gingerbread man.
Get back here. What? What?
Is it breaking?
Yeah, it's just moving. It's not fully falling.
It's Cody.
Can I hold this?
No, that's rocks. I was gonna say erosion, but that's rocks.
You put it on me.
It's called,
Set up over here.
thank you.
Run, run. Oh, the monster. There's a monster.
Just don't speak. I can speak fluent gibberish.
There's a bunch of the purple ones too.
Where? Oh.
They're not lavenders, but they're in the same family as the lilies and the lavenders.
Ain't mom allergic
There's
to
a bunch of those
lavender?
purple ones, too.
You see how the
If you
Ties in the
spell applesauce, which is A's, you can call it Rock. Dwayne the Rock Johnson. Party. Hee. No, N-A. Z, what?
Tiger it.
I am not chasing you.
Get mom. Mom.
God. Sweating bullets right now. Nature looks beautiful today. Ah. Nature looks beautiful. How dare you? Harper, slow down. Can't tell if that's a car or not. And leave.
I just like going down.
Alright, so this here, children,
seen a
that's
field
called
of
moss.
tadpoles, and you guys missed it.
That's also, that's cobwebs or spider silk, whatever you want to call it. There's a spider! I got a heart attack from that. No, I didn't. It was, my heart dropped. There it is. Ooh. Oh. 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 I'm out, granddad. Rankinator's best randomness moments. They all come from nature. Because he doesn't like to walk. Even though he does cross country. Soft shell turtle, eastern box turtle, painted turtle. They bask in the sun? Oh, I see.
There's a soft shell turtle.
Where? Oh, now I see it. Yeah, that's cool. Boxing.
That's the eastern boxer turtle. Or do you mean the other small one on the other image?
Why do the soft ones look weird?
They do that.
Oh!
Because they're different types of turtles. They're different species.
Hey!
I wish that damn leaf wasn't in the way.
Bro. Luckily, most of my content's not family friendly. I mean, it's gonna be in between. Yeah. Mainly 13 and up. Or 10 and up.
That individual turtle.
Turtle. Turtle. Gucci Gucci.
Okay, scooch just a tiny bit that way.
Nope. Turtle. Gucci Gucci. Gucci Gucci Goo. Gucci Gucci.
No, that is not.
Gucci Gucci. Why does their face look like that? I'm not trying to be rude, but like, it looks like me. It looks like me after having Taco Bell. The soft.
The soft shell turtle,
Yeah.
the back turtle, and then there's the box. And there's another tiny box turtle.
Girl, you're gonna make me drop my phone. Oh, litter. Who is the litter monster? Litter monsters.
The soft shell turtle.
Ungrateful people. Shoo, 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 shoo. There's bugs in the way.
Okay, which way? This way or
This way.
They all lead the same way.
Wait, there's more. Oh, look, guys, there's not here.
Oh!
They're doing family. Is it swimming?
No, they're sitting there on the thing.
Basking in the sun.
On the log. See the log?
Oh yeah.
They're basking in the sun.
Shifting it.
What do they eat?
Hey, the blue jay just flew at us.
I know.
Blue jay?
Yeah, blue jay. Don't know where it went.
I don't know, my phone probably caught it though.
Probably.
Luckily, I'm going to be reviewing the recording anyways, so if anything needs to be censored or anything like that,
You know it goes
talk
on
about
YouTube.
you, Ari.
You know it goes on YouTube. So.
Exactly. Exactly, this is going on YouTube. Boy.
Deep ass stairs. Damn.
Language! It's going on YouTube for Pete's sake. Actually, my content's probably going to be for teens and up. It already is. Like, most of my viewers are teens. Step.
Don't step on the cracks.
Or you break mom's back. Never planned.
Because I think I'm stepping.
I remember one day I was talking to mom, and I'm like, I'm gonna try my hardest not to step on a crack, or else I'll break mom's back. And mom goes, I'm pretty sure my back's already been broken.
Mom.
It is. And you said it was gonna be hot out. I'm sweating bullets right now.
I said it was. I didn't say it was gonna be hot. I said it's potentially gonna be cold into by the water.
Alright. Alright, Harper. I got one mission for you. Take my phone, but don't turn around to me. What did I just say? Don't turn around to me. I don't have the mask on, otherwise I'm not trying to look at my face. Yeah, take a look at nature. Make my viewers look at nature. Make sure you don't flip off the camera.
Don't drop them.
Alright, I'll take my phone back. Anyway, let's go.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be.
Farmer stand for Pete's sake.
You need a haircut.
Ooh? No, I don't.
Which way? That way? That way?
I like my hair long.
That way in a minute. Let me hear more.
I like my hair long.
I think we're
You just
done.
replaced all this.
See, Mom? I really want to touch the wall.
You don't want to do enough better. So I'll take in the clip and get it to Robin.
Yeah.
Duck.
Duck.
Let's see, where's Duck?
Wait.
Goose. Geese.
There's more than one.
No dip.
Oh, yes.
I just realized there's a car up ahead. Luckily, I have lightning fast reaction, so I instantly put my phone aiming downwards. Lucky me, I'm revealing the record. My bad. I'm gonna reveal the. I'm gonna. English is this. Oh my god. English is difficult. I was raised in America and I can't even speak. That's not even. I mean, Dora does say that, but like, school is pointless. We got calculators. Our English is shortened out to like LOL, BRB, LMAO, all that. The only science I need to know is the Cocomentos. History, they're all dead. Geometry, we got Geometry Dash.
Take a picture of your
Math, we got calculators. I don't know if I already said math.
We'll go down the way back.
School is pointless. They're anyways training us to be factory workers. I'd pass as a factory worker though.
Dominic, what's your name?
You just said it. You just said it.
What's your name?
I'm not gonna say my name.
Why?
I may have asked him before we recorded to say a fake name. I may have. No promises.
What?
What? So, now.
No,
What?
we're not even close near, so we gotta go back. All the way back.
Flowers. And I just stepped on a stick. Oh, it stinks. I don't like that smell.
To the back.
No, we're gonna go back and go again.
We've been recording for 29 minutes. Well, I've been recording for 29 minutes. My phone battery's crying for help. No, it's not.
Turn it off.
What?
Then turn it off. You don't need to record the whole thing.
I need content.
And enjoy the nice day
I am enjoying it.
without having the phone in your face or handing something else on top of it.
We're gonna head that way. Alright. Oh.
The bees have baby geese.
Where? That
The bees have baby geese.
that doesn't look like. Wait, what?
They're bigger, but they're little at the same time. They're not baby babies.
Wow.
On the other side.
You'll see
Oh.
them if you go back to that tiny area.
What did I just trip on? Tripwire, baby. Whoop! Oh, you're so cute!
You're scared to get out.
Dude, their necks are like mine.
You're scared to get out. They can't get it out.
I dead serious thought those two sticks over there were animals. Fortunately, we can't do
They
it.
haven't figured out they can jump out yet. They're not baby, but they're baby.
Corn.
What are you gonna do, guys?
Take forever. But we gotta let them take their time. If I could zoom it in any further, I would.
Yep, Mom's getting back in. Yep, Mom's getting back in. She's showing him. Dad's like, you probably need to get out. No, he's like, that's him. I need to get back in there.
The narrative is perfect.
You have like these cats or not?
Because he's kicking his legs.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Swimming, swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Swimming, swimming. Alright, yep, let's go.
It wasn't safe for them, but they didn't feel safe, so they moved on.
That's probably partly our fault.
No, what are you going to do with it? It's just, they're babies, they're learning, and they're just not comfortable jumping on that highway. They have to. Look at your eyes. He wasn't comfortable calling all the time. Now he is.
Fair enough.
Take practice, take time. Everybody learns at their own pace, even animals. You're not going to tie over here, though.
If you break a mirror, does it multiply? Eek.
Come on, Dominic.
Sorry, I thought I lost.
There's another turtle.
Where? What turtle? Turtle. Alright,
Yeah, I see him.
I'm gonna end the video off right here. Bye, guys.
He's all by himself. No,
Bye bye. See y'all later.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
See y'all.